Hello everyone, today we'll be making a custom map in Unreal in 7 minutes using Gaea. To start off, you will need Gaea. I will put the link in the description. So we're going to open up a new project. I'm going to be using the mountain range and canyon, but there are different landscape options that you can use and play around with. It's all pretty much the same. You can rotate the view by alt-clicking. For the mountain range, we're just going to mess with the scale and height slider until we find something we like. You can also adjust the seed if you don't like what you get initially. We now have something we like, so we can move on to the canyon. You just got to play around with the sliders until you get something you think looks good. Next, we'll add the combine node to merge them together. You can use the ratio to determine which landscape will be more prevalent. You can go back to the individual landscapes and make changes as well. It will be updated in the combined landscape. Once we have something we like, we can add erosion 2 to our landscape. We will do the same as before, messing around with the duration, downcutting, and erosion scale sliders until we get something cool. Then we will add the lakes to it so we can see bodies of water, and we'll see what they look like. Just a disclaimer, I will show you later in the video. We will have to add our own water that we can actually swim in. As of now, the water material is something that we can just run on, but it will give us an idea of what it will look like as a final project. The final node we'll add is the Unreal node. Then we can build our height map to be used on Unreal. I will save it and name it quickly before the build process. We go up to the project, then build, select the folder we want to save it to, then click execute and start build. As you can see, it's a pretty quick process. Then click execute and start build. And as you can see, for what we are building, it's pretty fast. We are all done in Gaea. I will see you over in the new motion matching project in Unreal. The first step in Unreal is to build a new level. I'm going to select an empty open world. Since there is no lighting, I will be using Ultra Dynamic Sky, but if you don't have that, you can use Unreal's blueprints too. We will then go into landscape mode, and to save a lot of time, we'll be using a nice blueprint pack that auto-generates the landscape material, saving us a lot of time. It's a free pack. I will also put the link in the description for you all. Once you've added it to your project, there's a couple landscape materials to choose from, but I will be using the island example. Next, you will find where you saved your height map and scale it to make the peaks look more natural. Sometimes they look really sharp, and I just scale it down. You can sculpt it later to how you like or to make it look more natural. Don't forget to set your game mode to GM Sandbox so you can use the character to run around. And there you go. You have a template map with grass, mountains, and now you can start adding your houses, trees, or whatever other blueprints you need for your game. It's also optimized very well. I'm getting 120 frames with all the detailed grass. I will also show you what I was talking about when I mentioned the water. I can do a future video adding our own or whatever other tutorials and additions you guys would like to see. If this helped, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next.